strike a pose. Ito ang star-studded photo shoot para sa magazine cover, tampok sina Piolo Pascual, Ding Dong Dantes, Derek Ramsey, Sara Hieronimo, Mateo Guidocelli, Enrique Hill at Liza Soberano. At ang nasa likod ng lente, walang iba kundi ang sikat na fashion photographer at dating judge ng America's Next Top Model na si Nigel Barker. Nasa bansa si Nigel para sa kanyang book tour na Models of Influence. Matapos ang up-close and personal shots, ano kayang masasabi ni Nigel sa Pinoy stars?
True stars, because they are really easy to work with. And, you know, a true star isn't someone who's hard, isn't someone who's complicated, isn't someone who is a diva.
Hanga rin si Nigel sa Pinay Beauty.
The most distinctive thing you see is that there's an incredible amount of grace and charm that seems to be a natural sort of gift of a Filipino. That is how they disarm you. It's almost like that's their weapon of choice.
At dahil selfie capital of the world ang Pilipinas, ipinasample ng tinaguriang Sultan of Selfies ang sikreto kung paano maa-achieve ang perfect selfie at maaalis ang double chin.
You lift the chin up, feel that muscle pull, you come down, and you have to be ready with your camera to take that picture because that muscle only pulls up that turkey gobble for about 4 seconds. So be ready to get it. But if you look over your shoulder, tuck, pull, down, aim, shoot, bam.
Payo naman niya sa mga nangangarap maging sikat na model.
As a model, you've got to have faith in yourself that you look good and that you're worth it. And that doesn't mean to say you're conceited. That doesn't mean to say that you're better than everyone else.